Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Mart. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best drawing tablets. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the XPPEN Star 05 Wireless 2.4G Graphics Drawing Tablet. One of the key concerns whilst buying a drawing tablet is the extent of compatibility. The XPPEN Star 05 Wireless 2.4G Graphics Drawing Tablet is a notably compatible pill, a good way to hook up with Windows 10, 8, 7, Vista, and Mac 10.7 and above. Besides this, the drawing pill gives both wireless and wired connection functionality, as a result very reliable. It lets in for short get right of entry to because it functions up to 6 sensitive shortcut keys, in an effort to allow you to get entry to a number of the generally used keys. It has a powerful and long-lasting battery that offers you up to 14 hours runtime on a complete fee. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Wacom Intuos drawctl 490dB digital drawing and graphic tablet. For unclean and short connection in your drawing pill on your PC, you need to strive out a wireless drawing tablet. The Wacom Intuos drawctl 490dB is one of the great drawing pills that could join wirelessly and through Stressway. It will replace your PC mouse once related to turn your PC right into a drawing canvas. It features an unfastened draw percent that incorporates an online tutorial, Artrage light drawing and sketching software program, and a loose 8x10 metal picture print. At number 3, we have the Ugee M708 Art Design Graphic Drawing Tablet. Have you attempted out this powerful and high-strain touchy drawing pill? This is one of the main and most dependable drawing pill that you may now locate at a less costly and discounted fee. It features up to 8 person-defined shortcuts that you may use to customize your features. The device effortlessly connects to Windows and Mac OS that enables you to attach it in your PC easily. Besides this, it has a massive drawing vicinity of 10x6 inches with as much as 5080 LPI resolutions. The Ugee M708 Art Design Graphic Drawing Tablet is one of the pinnacle rated drawing tablets you need to try out, and you'll locate it best. At number 2, we have the Huion H610 Pro Graphic Drawing Tablet. Whenever you want an ideal and lightweight drawing pill that you can use everywhere and time, then that is a super choice. The Huion H610 Pro Graphic Drawing Tablet offers you a huge drawing area of up to 10x6 inches to offer you with a sensible and natural sense of the drawing. It has up to 8 customizable buttons on each side and a pen strain of 2048. This means that you will be capable of draw both thinner and thicker traces primarily based for your desire. And finally, at number 1, we have the Wacom Intuos drawctl 490DW Digital Drawing Tablet. Are you looking forward to starting your digital artist's paintings? In case you need to enjoy a really perfect beginning, then here is the final drawing pill for you. The drawing tablet will guide all of the beginners to attract, paint, and even edit with lots of ease. It has a small and compact length, which makes it perfect for limited laptop desks. It is an ergonomic drawing tablet that allows you to set up for both right and left surpassed use. Besides this, the device comes with a free draw percent that accommodates off-drawing software, online tutorial, art variety light sketching, and an unfastened 810 metallic picture print. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this drawing tablets, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.